Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your username in Snapchat using iPhone. So, to do that, first of all, you need to be in the app library and find Snapchat. Then open it. Now tap on your profile on the upper left corner where you can see the Bitmoji. And now on your upper right corner, you can see the settings option. Now finally, you can see the option username on the second option of my account and tap on it. Now you can find the option change username. Now you'll be given this description that says you can only change your username once a year, so we need to choose wisely as you cannot change it again. Tap on continue. And now change your username to whatever you want it to be and tap on next. And then you would have changed your username successfully. And guys, that's how you change your username on Snapchat using iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please like this video. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.